Welcome to the final part of this 17-part series called 17 Steps to a Better LinkedIn Profile. In this segment, we're going to talk about why you should publish long-form content and use that to start conversations. The more you share and comment on content, the more you establish your expertise and thought leadership credentials on LinkedIn. Publishing long-form posts is the next natural step to take. A great starting point is to monitor the response that you get to your comments and shares. Are there particular subjects and points of view that seem to resonate with your network? Are there comments that you share which you feel could you expand upon in a post? Evolving your thought leadership in this way keeps it real and keeps you plugged into the issues your connections are talking about. Be ready for your long-form posts to start new conversations too, and keep an eye on the comments and be ready to respond. If you'd like to connect with me directly or explore ways that we can work together, how we can refer each other, please join my LinkedIn profile today.